Hello YouTube, this is my new video. I've been talking about it for quite some time. It's the Bioshock Infinite Ultimate Songbird Edition. Yeah, look at that thing. Yeah. Let's open this up. You can see there's a really pretty lady right there on the box side. Anyway, let's not waste any time. And you got some cool guy there. Yeah. So this is all the stuff it comes with. Let's open it up. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. So opening it up and taking it out here, we got the game itself. With Bioshock 1 included, a code for the soundtrack, it looks like, a code for a PlayStation 3 theme, some exclusive in-game stuff, and we got a nice little package thingy here. I don't want to open it because there's an actual sticker. Oh shit. There we go. And it's a nice little card thing that says light the way devil with Devil's Kiss. I don't know what the fuck that is. I assume it's in-game stuff. I might be wrong though. But yeah. What else we got here? We got a nice book. It says Columbia Customs and Excise, 1907. The Art of Bioshock. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's got a bunch of art, a bunch of cool art. What else do we got here? We got a box that says The Handyman. Let's see what it is here. Oh, it's like a little game piece, it looks like. So here's the game piece. It's pretty cool. It's for apparently a new game that's coming out, a new board game that's coming out for Bioshock. But let's take a look at the last thing that it comes with, which says Murder of Crows. Yeah. Oh, and it's a keychain, a nice keychain. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. So that's like all the game and stuff. Now on to the big thing, which is the Songbird statue. Friend of the fair and faithful. Oh, I wonder what kind of fair is going on in the town. But let's see what's in the box here. Hopefully I don't rip it like some other ones that I've ripped. Ow, fuck, I had a paper cut. Fuck, that hurt. Jesus. Alright, this is definitely way bigger than I thought it would be. So yeah, I mean, this is just the statue right here, the base of it right now. Shit. And here are the wings that come attached to it. There's some twist ties on it. So, yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty long. Very well detailed, as you can see. So, I mean, I'd say it's worth maybe $100 to $125, honestly. So definitely worth the collector's edition. Or, I'm sorry, the Ultimate Songbird edition. Very well detailed. So yeah. That's my Bioshock Infinite Ultimate Songbird Collector's Strategy Awesome Edition. Look for me on PlayStation Network, guys. See ya.